40 years ago, when the sky tore and Tokyo burned, everyone looked up. House Mizu looked down. While fire swallowed steel and monsters split concrete, the coastlines began to shift. Tides pulled backward. Storm drains flooded in reverse. Rain didn't fall, it hovered. Their founder stood ankle-deep in rising water, hands steady, pulse slower than the tide. He didn't command waves, he redirected pressure. Harbors collapsed inward. Bridges drowned without breaking. Creatures dragged screaming into currents that didn't exist yesterday. By dawn, the shoreline had moved. Not naturally, intentionally. That wasn't survival. That was control. And ever since, whenever it rains in their district, it's not weather, it's rehearsal.